Welcome to our guide on Google Business Profile Verification and Reinstatement. We'll cover the latest changes to ensure your business stays legitimate and visible online. Google has updated its guidelines for Google Business Profile, or GBP, focusing on a fresh start approach for legitimacy. This new process requires creating a completely new profile to verify a legitimate person is tied to the business, often involving video verification. First, create a professional email address using your business's custom domain. This email must be associated with a real person's name, not a generic one. Next, use this new professional email to create a brand new Google account. It's crucial not to use any existing accounts for this step. Once your new Google account is set up, log in and create a brand new Google Business Profile from scratch. This fresh start approach almost always triggers mandatory video verification to prove your business's existence. Be ready to record a short video. For service area businesses, where you visit customers at their location, your video must clearly prove your business operations. Let's look at the specifics. Your video must show your business vehicle with permanent branding or signage. Magnetic signs are typically not accepted. Also, display your tools of the trade, such as landscaping equipment or plumbing tools, and your home office or workspace where you manage your business. Crucially, include official documentation, like a business license or insurance, that clearly shows your business name and home address. If you have a physical storefront or office where customers visit, your video verification needs to focus on your location, signage, and access. Start your video outside, capturing your permanent exterior business signage and the street view, including the street name and neighboring businesses. Unlock the door and enter your business, then walk through the interior, showing your public-facing space, business-specific equipment, and any interior branding. Finally, display official documentation like a business license or utility bill in the business's name at that specific address. When you're ready to submit, sign into your Google Business Profile and record the video again directly within the platform. That's how Google receives it. Following these steps will help ensure your Google Business Profile is verified, legitimate, and ready to attract new customers. Good luck!